Hi, my name is Zzach. I'm from the UK. I've been doing the 200 hours teacher training course at Vinyasa Yogashala. And yeah, I just wanted to share my experience here. I think both in terms of like the physical training of yoga and in terms of all the other stuff that came around that. I was very pleasantly surprised with the experience. The yoga classes are pretty well designed. And so they're adapted to like different skill levels, but also they get you thinking about how you're going to be teaching relatively early on in the process. I came here primarily for the physical practice of yoga, but I think over the weeks I've kind of developed more of like an affinity for lots of the other subjects around it. So we did things like yoga anatomy, we did things like yoga philosophy, pranayama, and I think in particular the subject that I really enjoyed was yoga philosophy. Understanding how like the practice of yoga fits into the wider cultural heritage of India and Indian philosophy was really interesting, I thought. So yeah, I can only recommend it. I think this is a great place to do your teacher training. The teachers are great, and they really made an effort to kind of build up a good group spirit as well here. So yeah, I can only thank them for my experience.